The 14 Plus is like a tank at 160.8 by 78.1 by 7.8 millimeters, while the iPhone 14 is a slim beauty at 146.7 by 71.5 by 7.8 millimeters. These phones have super Corning glass and armor aluminum frames that can take a beating. They're like a cool combo of nano SIM and eSIM, giving you a digital passport for all your adventures. And guess what? These bad boys have IP68 dust and water resistance, so you can toss them in a puddle and they'll be like, "Is that all you got?" The 14 Plus shows off with a huge 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED screen. It's like having a mini cinema in your palm. Check out the iPhone 14, rocking a big 6.1-inch screen so you won't miss a thing. How much screen? How little body? The Plus totally rocks at 87.4%, while the iPhone 14 keeps its charm at around 86%. The 14 Plus has a crazy good resolution of 1284 by 2778 pixels, while the iPhone 14 is no slouch with 1170 by 2532 pixels. These phones have a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, giving you a fancy screen for all your stuff. Get ready to meet the genius behind these wild creatures. They both rock iOS 16 and the beastly Apple A15 Bionic chip. Their hexa-core CPUs, codenamed Avalanche and Blizzard, are like the Avengers of multitasking, making it a cakewalk. What about that fancy 5-core graphics GPU thingy? It's like a tiny game room in your pocket. Brain bunkers. Both contenders flex their 6 GB RAM muscles. Calling all digital hoarders. We've got RAM options from 128 GB to a mind-blowing 512 GB. Get ready to store all your digital treasures. No micro SD slot, but these phones are minimalist wonders. Cheese, please. With a 12-megapixel wide and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, these phones snap pics like paparazzi at a fancy party. Your memories will be so fancy with 4K video and double the flash power, they'll outshine Hollywood blockbusters. Time for a selfie, peeps. The front camera is a bossy photographer with 12 megapixel. And you won't believe this. This camera ain't afraid of 4K videos, no sir. Get ready to flex, whether you're at the beach or rocking your PJs. Time to blast those eardrums. Phones with stereo speakers, bringing the concert to your palm. Yo, listen up. The 3.5mm headphone jack is gone, cause wireless is taking over the world, baby. Calling all connection champs, unite. These phones have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth that are faster than a cheetah on roller skates. With GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, and QZSS, you'll never get lost, not even in a pitch-black maze. Let's read minds, shall we? Kinda. These phones have sensors that make them almost like mind readers. Don't worry, they can't guess your dinner menu, not yet, at least. Pixels rule. The 14 Plus has a big battery, like a marathon runner, while the 14 has a smaller one, also like a runner. With all the charging tricks up its sleeve, your devices will be pumped up in a jiffy. And now, the icing on the cake, the colors. Midnight, purple, starlight, blue, red, and yellow. It's like a unicorn artist's rainbow masterpiece. No need to break the bank. These beauties are steal at $899.99. The 14 Plus and the 14 went head-to-head, flexing their design, performance, and features. So, whose team are you on in this epic phone battle? Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and spill your thoughts in the comments. Get ready for more shocking Digi Duelers battles, cause we're here to feed your tech addiction. Keep dueling in the cyber world.